Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, this is chain. So you know this is chain. This is like already groupie stuff. It's already groupie. It's like groupie stuff. It's like dirty.
Yeah.
You're in the ladder.
I know.
This is groupie. This is groupie.
Okay.
That's gross and that's disgusting. That's disgusting. And this, you see all that stuff? It's like under there.
Yeah.
That's coming from a chain. You know that's not coming from the sprocket. The sprocket makes the chain move. See, look how the door high it is. I'll show you.
You want to show me?
Yeah.
Look at it.
I'm gonna get down and show how high it is. See, look how high it is. Look how really high it is. Look how it's around these. Look how high this door is. See this high it is? How you can see that. It's like up there. This one's not hit that bolt. Then that one. This one's probably a little bit back than that one. Well, this one's probably too empty for the technical. That's one of the
Yeah.
First is the open toes. You see the screws in here? You just unscrew these and take the thing down. But I want to do that.
No.
I'm not going to be safe.
Okay.
See the screws? That's unscrew the inversion. But
Yeah.
I want to do that. My thing's not going to work out.
Probably not.
Mine's acting like a dad did that one.
Yeah. So what are those buttons right there?
Here's program. This one right here programs the door.
And the other ones?
Yeah, but there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's probably 4.
Okay. What about the yellow button?
I already know what that does. I'm probably not to push it. I don't know what to do.
Okay.
I want to do it. So there's, there's this sprocket down there that ends where it ends.
What is it?
There's a sprocket back there where it ends.
Okay. And what else are you going to tell us about it?
See all this dirty stuff under here?
Yeah.
So that's not coming from this. That's coming from the chain. You know that. But this thing is not a chain. That's real. This is a chain. This one is not, that's not the chain. That's real. So, but this is chain. So it goes like around and it comes back and it goes back down there. It's probably going fast and shit. Yeah, it just like slam down, then it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
But I like the opener because it's pretty quiet.
Yeah. What else do you like about it?
I kind of like all the stuff with it.
So it's kind of
I
quiet.
don't like it like bouncing back up. I